So this video will teach you how to make your own customized SMS theme for your jailbroken iDevice. So the thing you're going to need is the little template that I put in the description, just get the picture, because this is what we're going to use to make the bubbles. Otherwise, for the picture, you can use whatever you want for the background. So open it up in Photoshop, and if you don't have Photoshop or your trial ran out, then you can go to www.pixlr.com/editor, which is also in the description, and just use that instead. The controls are nearly the same. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, Hue, and Saturation. Make sure over here where it says Colorize that you check that off, and then you can drag the hue over to change the colors. So I'm going to make mine kind of pink because that's my favorite color, and then you can turn up the saturation and the lightness. And I really like that, so I'm going to leave it like that. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and what you're going to need to do is make a new folder. You can call it whatever you want to call your theme. So I called mine Pink X. Then inside that folder, you want to make another folder called Folders. And then inside that, ChatKit.framework. The C has to be capitalized and the K has to be capitalized. And this is because when your iPod goes to find the actual file, when it wants to use the SMS theme, then it has to follow the same path. So you're going to save it in there as balloon_2 at 2x.png. If you have an iPhone, then you're going to add the little squiggle, the tilde thing, and then add iPhone at the end. But I don't, so I'm going to leave it at the 2x. Then click Save. Then go back, File, Save As, and then you're going to change it to balloon_blue at 2x.png. And same thing, if you have an iPhone, you're going to add the squiggle and then iPhone. Because, you know, when you text someone else who doesn't have an iPhone, the bubbles are green, and then when you do, they're blue. So they have different names. So I don't think this matters for the iPod Touch. If you have an iPod Touch, you're just going to do the blue. So you're going to save that. And then if you wanted a different color for the received messages, then you can do the same thing. And then what you're going to do is go to Edit, Transform, and then flip horizontal so that the bubbles are facing the other way. And then you're going to save that as balloon_1. And if you have an iPhone, it would be the squiggle iPhone. So that's basically it for that. And then to get your background that you want to size, then you're going to stay in Photoshop. And I can't find my file, so I'll just use this one. You're going to put the picture you want into Photoshop, and then click on the crop box. Up here, these are your restrictions. You want it to be 480 by 480, and then press Enter. And then when you go to draw a box, you're limited to a certain size. So once it's a certain size, press Enter, and then you're going to save this as SMSBackground.png, and then you're going to save it right in the first folder so that it's alongside of the folder that says Folders. It's really confusing, I know. So once you have that, you're all set. Let me show you what I have in here. So this is my theme. I have the SMSBackground.png, and then I have a folder called Folders. Inside that folder, I have ChatKit.framework, and inside that folder, I have my balloon2 at 2x. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. So once you put your theme that you made onto your iDevice, then, which I have another video to show you how, then you're all set. So it does work, and I hope you guys make crazy awesome themes, and for more ideas, you can go to www.facebook.com/alleycatstudios. Thanks for watching.